Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. Today we're going to take a look at a product that's new to me, but certainly not a new product. It is the Zip Premium All-Purpose Firestarter. Alright, thanks for coming back. Today I'm taking a look at this Zip Premium Firestarter. This has been around for a while, but I never noticed it. And I figured, you know what, I'm going to take it home and take a look at it and see if it's worthy of a review or not. I wasn't really sure because sometimes you buy this stuff and it's really not, it wouldn't be geared towards survival or camping at all. This actually is. It comes in a 6-pack, and they're rather large packages in there. It says it's odorless, but if you open it up, it really does smell like kerosene. Even if you squeeze down on it a little bit, the little bit you can squeeze, you'll kind of smell it a little more. From the package, you can't smell anything. So these originally, I believe, were set up for starting a fire in your fireplace, you know, stuff like that, where you're just going to take this, take a lighter, light it, and you'll never smell it because it's in with wood and everything else. But they do say that they're good for, you know, camping, wood fires, grilling, all that other stuff on the box. So I decided to give them a chance and see. They're very light. I guess this is under an ounce. It's like nothing. And they're kind of a chalky substance. And I have one that I took out and I was kind of playing with. So we're going to mess around with that. You can usually find these in Home Depot or Walmart. You can find them online at Amazon, but they tend to be a little more expensive if you buy them from there. They do, or they did, had the price on them. They were about $2.76. So anyway, here's one that I've opened up. Okay? And like I said, if you open it up, you can smell there's kerosene. First I thought it was gasoline. But, so we're going to try and light this a bunch of different ways. And we're also going to try and see if it stays lit like, what is it, the wet fires, the UST wet fire cube. Stays lit in water. From what I can see, I just broke a little piece off here and was messing around with it. It takes a flame very, very quickly. And these are reported to have burned for about, you can probably get them up to about 15, 16 minutes. So they're awesome if you're in a wet environment and you're trying to start a fire and you really got to dry the wood out. You can light one of these whole, let it sit there, keep putting wood on it, and eventually it will light that fire. It'll dry out the wood. So the first thing we're going to do, I want to chip a little piece of it off. Let's just take a chunk out of there. I'm going to try it with a lighter. The most common method everybody's going to try. And there you go, instantly. You can blow them right out too. That's neat. So next up, try it with matches. And I assume since it worked with a lighter, it'll probably work just as well with matches. And there you go. My last test, see if it's hot. I don't think it is, no. I'm going to break it up, kind of like we do with all kind of tinder items. Okay. I'm going to try it with a ferro rod. I'm not sure how well this will work with a ferro rod, but we'll see. Yeah, pretty darn well. Okay, last test. I'm going to take a piece of this out of here. A piece that's on fire already. See if it stays lit in water. It does stay lit in water. That's a pretty darn powerful testament to a fire starter. The thing is still burning in water. So you can't beat that. It's actually a pretty cool item. I'll blow that mess out. And this is what they look like in the stores when you see them. And they're made by Zip. It says since 1936. So I guess this has been around a whole lot longer than I've noticed. And it's still going in the water. I can't believe that. So they are kind of like the UST wet fires. I suspect they're just some kind of compressed material with a little bit of kerosene in it. Because, I mean, you can push down on it and your fingers will smell like white gas or kerosene. Anyway, that is the Zip Firestarter. I'm thinking these would be awesome for your fire kits because, you know, you could probably take this and put it into a bag that you could open and close, a smaller Ziploc bag or something, and break little pieces off like I did there, and use this to light a fire. to light several fires instead of one UST fire cube or something like that. It's kind of handy, very, very light. I think if you cut this in half and carried it with you, you could probably start about 10 or 15 fires with it. So that's the Zip Premium All-Purpose Fire Starter. Will burn in water, burns for a good long time. I mean, the whole cube is said to burn to about 15, 16 minutes. So to help you get a fire started, and I'm actually going to put this in my fire kit. I'm in actually 2 of my fire kits, because I want to try these out in the field when I go out camping. So we're going to see what they work like out there. So thanks for watching. We'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.